This is a video review of the Elecost 10.1 inch Android tablet with an Octa core processor and 16 gigabytes of space. So here's what's included. There's headphones right over here. There's an OTG USB cable for connecting flash drives or external hard drives through USB to the tablet. There's a wall adapter for charging, and a micro USB cable for syncing, as well as for charging through any USB port. Also included is a user manual, which is pretty detailed here. Gives you a lot of information on how to use the Android system, as well as a screen protector, which is really nice of them to include. So now, here's the tablet itself. So you look on the back, we see the Elecost logo, and then take a look at the ports here. So they have labels here for all the ports. So there's an on-off button for turning the screen on and off, a reset button, headphone jack, micro USB port, which is also how you connect the OTG USB cable for connecting flash drives. There's mini HDMI right over here. This is for connecting the wall power adapter. There's an escape button and a mic. There's a camera on the back right here, as well as one on the front right over here. So if we go ahead and turn this on here, you can take a look at the screen. It's pretty good viewing from most angles. The only angle which it's slightly difficult to view from is up top here. But apart from that, pretty good. So now if we take a look in here, the octa-core processor, it's pretty snappy. And what I did here is I ran a benchmark performance for this. So it got a pretty good score here based on these budget tablets that I've seen. And then if we look at performance right over here, so it's just going to load it. So general performance, it was at about 60%, surpassing 60% of other devices. So pretty good general performance. Game performance, it says poor, surpassed only 30% of other devices. And battery performance was average. Now I can tell you that the battery life is rated on Amazon at 5 hours, but I've been getting about 6 to 8 hours with moderate usage. Moderate usage meaning 50% brightness, as well as general, web surfing and watching videos, general tasks on the tablet. So now, if we take a look at what I wanted to run for you here is a speed test really quickly. And I wanted to compare it to my iPad right over here. So, if I open this up, we're going to click Restart Test, and I have an iPad Air right over here. So I'm going to go and begin the test on both. And this is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We can get an idea of how the Wi-Fi is compared to an Apple tablet right over here, which has very good Wi-Fi connection. So the iPad's a little slow right now, and the Elecost tablet is already up and running. Already got its download speed. Okay, so finally the iPad started. The Elecost tablet just finished, and the speed's pretty good. So 26 megabits per second and 6 for the upload. And that's pretty good for my connection. Of course, your numbers will vary based on your internet service provider, as well as what your router is like. So overall, you can take a look here. My iPad got slightly higher than this, but barely any difference, definitely not something you notice. So Wi-Fi on this tablet is very good, and in using it for the past week I haven't had any issues. So now if we take a look at here, there's a video application right over here. So Elecost actually included a small video here, an HD video for me to play. So hopefully this will give you an idea of how movies and TV shows might play on this device. So we look at it from all the viewing angles here. It's pretty good. Like I said, the only angle is up top here, so something to keep in mind. But the screen, the 1024 by 600 pixel display, is pretty good. It's very clear. So hopefully that gave you an idea of how videos play on this device. They overall work pretty well. Just a few other notes. So this tablet has 16 gigabytes of space, but the actual usable space is 10.3 gigabytes. And Bluetooth works pretty well on this device too. You can connect to any Bluetooth device. I had no issues connecting to one of my Bluetooth keyboards, as well as a set of Bluetooth headphones I have. Overall, I really like this tablet. This is the Elecost tablet. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a budget tablet. And thanks for watching.